The classic version of Atlas has become internet famous through a series of videos showing it dancing, flipping, doing parkour, and taking one heck of a beating. Not to be outdone, Elon also chose dancing as a method for introducing Tesla's humanoid robot.
Can you envision a future where humanoid robots address labor shortages in essential industries? It may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but this future is closer than you think. We're not talking about a dystopian world, but a reality where artificial intelligence and robotics are transforming the way we live and work. This is a vision being shaped by a select group of innovators, thinkers, and risk takers who dare to push the boundaries of what's possible. One of those leading this revolution is Brett Adcock, an AI robotics billionaire. Welcome back to Top Blink, and today we unwind a very unique story of a young entrepreneur, Brett Adcock. Before we dive in, click on the subscribe button for more stories like this. Brett Adcock's journey to becoming a billionaire began in an unlikely place. His story is not one of overnight success, but rather a tale of consistent innovation, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of impactful solutions. Brett's entrepreneurial spirit was ignited early, and he quickly became a serial entrepreneur, founding companies across diverse industries. Each venture brought with it new challenges, new learnings, and new opportunities to push the boundaries of what was possible. At the heart of his early career was Vettery, an AI-based talent marketplace. This was not just a business, it was a revolution in the way companies find talent and people find work. Vettery leveraged the power of artificial intelligence to match job seekers with companies, streamlining the hiring process and revolutionizing the recruitment industry. But what set Brett apart was not merely the innovative technology behind Vettery. It was his vision for a world where technology could solve real-world problems, his belief in the power of artificial intelligence to transform industries, and his unwavering commitment to turning that vision into reality. Vettery was a roaring success. It was not just a profitable venture, but a testament to the transformative potential of AI. It was a signal to the world that Brett Adcock was not just another entrepreneur, but a visionary shaping the future of technology. Vettery was just the beginning for Brett. The company was acquired for a whopping $110 million, setting the stage for his future endeavors. From talent marketplaces, Brett Adcock shifted his focus to the skies. With a mind full of innovative ideas and an undying spirit to break the barriers, Brett embarked on his next venture, Archer Aviation. Mythical archer who never missed his mark, Brett too aimed high and hit his target. Archer Aviation, a beacon of hope in the electric aerospace industry, was not just a venture but a revolution. It was Brett's ambitious endeavor to paint the skies with a hue of sustainability and efficiency. This leading electric aerospace company was not just a testament to Brett's innovative prowess, but also a symbol of his commitment to a greener and more sustainable future. The success of Archer Aviation was not just measured in the number of flights taken or the miles covered, but in the very fact that it went public at a staggering valuation of $2.7 billion. This enormous figure was not just a testament to its financial success, but also a reflection of the trust and belief that people had in Brett's vision and his ability to turn dreams into reality. This milestone further cemented Brett's status as a successful entrepreneur. It was a testament to his ability to navigate the turbulent waters of entrepreneurship and come out on top. But this was not the end of the journey for Brett. It was merely a stepping stone to greater things. But Brett's ambition didn't stop at the aerospace industry. His vision was set on a more grounded and human-centric goal. His next venture was not just about reaching for the stars, but about creating a better world here on Earth. Brett Adcock's vision of a future with humanoid robots isn't just a dream, it's a reality in progress. With a reputation for founding successful companies over the past 2 decades, Brett continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. His latest venture is no exception.
There are no commercially viable humanoid companies today that are in market making money. So I would say, at the surface level, we have to introduce a product into market that's never been done before.
Welcome to Figure, an AI robotics company that's not just a business, but a beacon of the future. Figure is a testament to Brett's relentless pursuit of innovative solutions. Here, he's tackling a global challenge head-on: labor shortages in essential industries. From agriculture to healthcare, these sectors are the backbone of our society. but they're often grappling with a shortage of manpower. Brett's solution, a humanoid robot designed to fill these gaps. Imagine a world where robots work alongside us, not as replacements but as partners. They could handle tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or simply unappealing, freeing us up for more complex and creative endeavors. That's the world Brett envisions, and it's not as far off as you might think. Brett isn't just crafting robots, he's creating solutions that could revolutionize industries. By leveraging AI, he's giving these robots the ability to learn, adapt, and improve. They're not just tools, they're potential game changers. They could increase productivity, improve safety standards, and even create new job opportunities. Imagine that, robots creating jobs for humans. But Brett's vision extends beyond economic implications. He's looking at the bigger picture. How could these robots help us combat global challenges? Could they aid in disaster relief or help us explore inaccessible terrains? Could they provide care for the elderly or assist in scientific research? The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Brett Adcock is not just creating technology, he's shaping our future. His vision of a world where humanoid robots work alongside us is becoming a reality, and it's a reality that promises to be as intriguing as it is innovative. The future is now, and it's being shaped by visionaries like Brett Adcock. Brett Adcock's journey is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and entrepreneurial spirit. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magnitude of Brett's accomplishments. Over the span of 20 years, he has founded successful companies across multiple industries, each one an innovative solution to a global challenge. From Vettery, an AI-based talent marketplace, to Archer Aviation, a leading electric aerospace company, and now Figure, an AI robotics venture, Brett's vision and drive have been nothing short of transformative. But Brett's impact goes beyond the companies he's built. He's a trailblazer in the AI and robotics industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and paving the way for future innovators. His ventures have the potential to revolutionize how we live and work, addressing labor shortages in essential industries with humanoid robots and making air travel more sustainable with electric aerospace technology. His achievements have not only made him a billionaire, but they've also cemented his place as a visionary in the tech world. He's a testament to the power of dreaming big, taking risks, and relentlessly pursuing one's goals. So let's celebrate Brett Adcock, not just for his financial success, but for his unwavering commitment to innovation and his determination to make a positive impact on the world. Brett Adcock's story is an inspiring tale of innovation, vision, and the drive to create a better future. Who knows what he'll dream up next? Stay tuned to Top Blink for the latest updates on AI and the latest news of the town.